Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove a repost from Snapchat. Whether you accidentally reposted something or just want to take it down, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji on top left corner to view your profile. Under My Stories section, find the post that you have reposted. Tap on it. Tap on three dots in top right corner of the reposted snap. On the option, tap on delete. Snapchat will ask you if you really want to delete this snap or not. Confirm by tapping delete snap on the screen. Now head back. The repost have been removed from the story. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.